Hi everybody, this is Katie Frekhtman, a personal injury trial lawyer here in New York City. And I wanted to thank everybody for reaching out to us. We're getting a lot of text messages, emails, contacts, comments. That's really great that people are enjoying our channel. They're saying that they're viewing our videos, they're enjoying the videos, they have questions, they're reaching out, and we're happy to answer the questions. I'm getting on calls with a lot of people. I did calls with people, like one lady had a traumatic brain injury in Indiana. Someone else had a brain injury in Ohio. I'm getting calls for lawyers in Atlanta, Georgia, Florida, requests for California, and a lot of requests for New York. And in fact, in New York, we're getting a lot of new cases, both like completely new cases, accidents that just happened, as well as people who are just not happy with their current lawyer. Maybe their lawyer is not calling them back. They have all these questions. My thing is, I don't want to take cases from other lawyers. I don't want to hurt other lawyers. I like other lawyers. I'm a lawyer, and I like people who are lawyers that do a good job for their clients, that, are passionate and do their best for their clients like I would and like I do. But the point is that it's very important for a lawyer to be a guide, right? Because this entire litigation, lawsuits, is like a dark, dreary, dangerous woods, right? You don't want to go into those woods on your own because you might not know the road out, and you may not know the best road out, and you might get lost in those woods. So the lawyer is somebody who knows the law. They know the statutes, they know the codes, they know the case law, they have experience doing this, right? So they have to be the guide who's guiding you through those woods. And if you're calling that lawyer and the lawyer's not calling you back, well, then they're kind of like abandoning you in the woods. That's not right. You don't want to be stuck in those woods all by yourself. So that's why, I welcome the opportunity to help other people, because I feel like the lawyer, whether it's me or another lawyer, should be guiding you and should be explaining everything to you and giving you that education, because that education is very, very empowering, right? If somebody has just gotten into a car crash or a trip and fall or ceiling collapse, and they don't know the rules, they don't know the answers to these questions, but the questions are like burning and lingering in their head. They want to know the answer. They deserve to know the answer. And so by giving them that education, right, by giving that to you, I feel like I'm empowering you. And then the more you know, the more you're going to be a good client, because you're going to go to the doctor, you're going to keep up with your medical treatment, you're going to take maybe a medical diary and keep track of notes. If we get on a call, we do a Zoom call, or we meet in person, you're going to know that it's so important to speak to community witnesses, friends, coworkers, neighbors, and then you think about, who are the people in my life, right? In my ecosphere, in my life. Who are the people in my life that knew who I was before I had this injury, and who are the people who could tell that story? And who are the people in my life that know what it's like now that I've had this injury, this debilitating, life-changing, forever injury? Because a lot of these injuries are forever injuries. People are calling, saying they're going to need spinal surgery, traumatic brain injury. I mean, these are life-changing, permanent, forever injuries. So it's so, so important to get that biography, that human story, right? Your family, your friends, your coworkers, your neighbors, people you interact with, who is going to be able to tell your before story, and who's going to be able to tell your future story, the story of who you will become. Because one of the goals I have is for my clients to get better, both medically, by sending them to the best doctors and coordinating their care. I want them to get better. I want them to rise up and, step beyond that injury. You don't want that injury, even though if it is serious, even if it is forever, you don't want it to be the exclamation point on someone's life, right? You want someone to rise up, to overcome the injury, and then to move on with their life the best that they can. Maybe they'll never be the same person they were before they got hurt, but at least they've risen and they've overcome the injury, just like people overcome a lot of obstacles in life, and now they're moving on. So that's what I want to be, that guide to help people do that. So I hope this has been helpful. Let us know what questions you have, but we're so happy that people are reaching out to us. They're asking us questions, and they're really good questions. and I'm going to try to make as much time as possible to, I try to chat people back. I make, I call people, try to make, maybe I have to get one of those Calendly calendars to start scheduling appointments. That's great that things are picking up and that people are enjoying our channel and they have these questions, because we're here for you. And I'm sure that, there are a lot of different types of cases. Some we can help with, some we can't. And then if it's not in New York, we could find a partner to work with. So keep reaching out, and we're so happy to hear from you. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.